Hello, Aaron.
Hello, Daddy.
What is this?
I don't know.
You want to unbox it?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I'm so happy.
So happy for your gift? Okay, let's unbox it together. Yeah, go. Here are the scissors. Here, Aaron, here are the scissors.
Should I catch it, Daddy?
Yes, Papa, sure. I'm gonna help you unbox it.
Where should I put it? Where?
Yes. Excellent. And wait, let me see.
But I can't reach this side.
Okay, let's put it like this. Yeah. Here, this one. Okay, let me unbox it for you.
Yeah.
Yes. Let me help you. You happy?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Let me use my right hand. Wait.
Whoa, that was a big.
It's so big. Wait. Wow. Let's take it out. Let's take it out together. Yeah, pull it down. Yes. And from here also. Yes, pull.
Oh.
Okay. I think we can take it out now. Yes, let's take it out. Wait. Yay! We are taking it out. Yay! Wow! So what is it, Aaron?
It's my. Ooh.
What is it?
That's where should I put the pen and stick them?
So what is this one? Yeah.
Daddy, I think
It's a flip. We see it to flip it.
Daddy, this is the part, and you put the pencil here.
The pencil?
Here.
And look, we can hang it up here. We can hang it from here.
Yeah, but we need a spot to hang it.
Yes. Where do you want to hang it?
Over my room.
Inside your room.
Yeah.
You are happy? Yeah. Where's your other gifts? Show me.
I can. Wait.
There, the bucket.
Yes.
Yeah, bring it. Bring it here. Put it here. Yalla, show us what you have. Come closer.
I have
Come closer.
a cigar.
What's this?
This. And
Stickers.
I have a band.
What's this?
This.
Pants?
Oh, this.
Wait. Wait. شو هاتيها شو لا بس شو Okay. Wait, Aaron, I told you because your sister is screaming. I told you wait.
I always like it.
Because we need to make a tutorial.
Yeah, I know, but this is one of the...
Yalla, show me what you have, Elsia.
I have too many books, and I have markers, and see, all the markers can fit here.
Yeah. This is the marker holder.
And this is a hole punch.
What is it?
Hole punch.
Hole punch.
And the brush.
What else you got?
The brush, you dip it on the mint, and then I can draw anything what I like.
What about the books?
Books
Yeah, what's this one?
are here, and it's all everything I have.
And what's this one? What's this one?
A roller one.
Ruler?
Yes. So when I do it like this, it will show up. Look.
You have too many books, Aaron.
Look. Should I roll it here, Daddy?
Yeah, no problem. Do it. Yeah. Now let's test your whiteboard. Let's test it.
Yeah, but where we gonna?
يلا type your name here. Type your name.
They can't open it.
You want me to help you? Oh, you did it.
Yeah, I did it.
يلا type your name. Oh, it's so big.
Okay.
What's this? What's this letter? Wow, good care. Continue down here. Continue down. Down here. A-R. What's this one? What's this letter? It's flipped. Why it's flipped?
I like it.
Do you like it? Let me type your name. Give me.
And
I? Yeah, this is an I. Oh, good care.
and now here and here.
What's this letter?
I don't have much room, so I did it like this.
You don't have much room. Your name is flipped. Let me type your name quickly. Look here. Look to me. Here. A R E I and N. What's in your hand? What's this?
It's like this here.
Eraser.
Yeah.
Okay, I love you. Yalla, say tell them like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to my channel because I'm Aiden and my dad is calling and we get it. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.